Hello, how are you? My name is Holly and I have a 1-minute tip for you. You need to have a strong mentor, somebody that can help you navigate the waters that you haven't been in before. If you're like many other businesses in the United States, most businesses are small businesses and they're like solopreneurs, which means there's one person that's running the whole show. And that is literally like the backbone of the US. And there are so many other companies out there that are like that. One or two people, and we are the backbone of this economy. So I love this topic. Somebody who's a step ahead of you, who has the ability to tell you, okay, this is what you do, and here's the order that you do it in. And they know the path, right? Think about it. Anything that you've done in the past, college, high school, anything that you've ever learned, you probably have had somebody to teach you how to do it. It is nothing different in business. So that's my 1-minute tip for you. I hope that you have a beautiful day. All right, take care.